time to see what he says.
Yeah. Because, I've seen this property a long time ago. And then I was thinking, oh, maybe, check this one. Because my friend lived there.
Yeah.
And then I always, went to this area going to Morris. And I always see this advertisement outside.
Yeah.
And then just now that I was thinking, might be check this property because my friend lived there. And then, I want to be close to them.
Yeah. That's understandable, eh?
Kaya lang, napakadumi lang. Oh. Sa kanila?
Maganda pa nga ito. Nasa yun na lang, nasa pag-aayos na lang.
Ito, kaya ko itong pinturahan kung basta.
Pintura na lang.
Yung ano niya,
Yung babuksan na tinatry. Parang ito na yung pinaka-dining hall.
oo nga. Pero alam ko pwede maging sampayan yung likod eh. Do you know if this fridge is